At Adozillion Homes, we take pride in our ability to deliver projects on time. The Mufasa apartment project is a shining example of our efficiency and commitment. The Mufasa apartment block B and C follows the same trajectory. Back in March, we're still working on constructing the first floor of the building. With our glaring progress, we are now on the finishing level, ensuring that our clients experience the same timely delivery as Mufasa Block A. We understand the importance of getting you into your dream homes as quickly as possible. So with Adozillion Homes, you can expect quality home delivered on time, every time.